So I just want to give you a little piece of advice in case something like this happens. So I'm bringing my camera back down. So I have these shapes drawn on my paper. I have my triangle all darkened in, and then I have my square over here. And as I was drawing my square, I noticed, oh, it was going through my triangle. No big deal. You just want to draw your line and then go over top, or don't go over top of. So I pick up my pencil and make sure I don't go through my triangle. At that point, I'll figure out where I want to close off my square. If I want to come all the way back here to close up my square, I can. That does create some overlapping for this project, which can be interesting. Can also be a little confusing, but you are welcome to do it. I'm just showing you what it looks like when it's all done. So those are the lines that I'm darkening up. These are the ones that I will no longer see. Okay, but you see how I have one shape in front of the other, so it works out like that. If I look right here at my trapezoid, this is what I was talking about in case you may want to turn your shapes a little bit. I am left with a trapezoid that has a super duper skinny edge, which is very hard to close off. I can still do it, but it's going to leave you, it's going to leave you with a very skinny area. So if I close this off here, I'm going to use my ruler to do that, then this one goes back like this, and that's all that I see. So I don't love my trapezoid at that angle. In fact, I would probably erase the whole thing. That's why I do recommend drawing really lightly. I would probably erase the whole thing and then tilt my trapezoid a little bit more so that when I go to create those angles, I have more of a side visible. So just keep that in mind. So now when I do that, now when I bring those lines back, I have a much easier time doing that. It's a thicker area, and that just might help you finish up this project a little bit easier. Okay, so just a couple heads up about that. Next, we're going to add the holes. Okay,